The HyperX QuadCast S RGB lights not working is a common issue, usually caused by firmware glitches, app connectivity problems, or occasionally hardware faults. We'll guide you through troubleshooting steps to get those lights shining again. Most issues stem from software, so don't worry, it is fixable. First, ensure your QuadCast S is properly connected using the original USB cable that came with the microphone. Try connecting to different USB ports on your computer to eliminate port-specific problems. The microphone requires a stable 5-volt USB power source to operate the RGB lighting system. If using a USB hub, make sure it's powered to provide adequate current for the microphone. The error code USB004 often points to connection problems, so addressing these basics should resolve most issues. Outdated HyperX Ingenuity software is a primary culprit for RGB lighting issues. Open the app and check for updates. The latest version is 5.8.1 as of October 2025. The latest version includes an RGB diagnostic tool for one-click fixes. Firmware updates are also delivered via Ingenuity, ensuring your microphone's operating system is current. Updating Ingenuity should resolve most RGB issues. Firmware issues are often the cause of RGB problems. Make sure you have the latest firmware installed through the Ingenuity app. Error RGB001 indicates a firmware mismatch. Keeping your firmware updated ensures the LED controller initializes correctly. Software conflicts can prevent the Ingenuity app from controlling the RGB lighting on your QuadCast S microphone. Programs like Logitech G Hub can interfere with the connection. Try closing unnecessary background apps to free up system resources. For Windows users, check the Device Manager to ensure the QuadCast S is recognized and drivers are properly installed. Look under Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. On Mac, use System Information to verify USB device recognition by checking the USB section. After checking these, the software conflicts should be resolved. If software fixes don't resolve the RGB lighting issues, try a hardware reset. Locate the small reset button on the microphone. Consult your manual for the exact location. Use a pin or paper clip to press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This reboots the microphone's hardware and can resolve stubborn issues. For advanced troubleshooting, start by performing a clean reinstall of the Ingenuity software. This last resort measure ensures no corrupted files interfere with the RGB lighting. Uninstall the current Ingenuity app, then download the latest version from HyperX's official website and reinstall it completely. Next, test with a different USB hub that has its own power supply or connect directly to the motherboard's USB port. This rules out power delivery issues from the hub. Make sure the USB hub you're using provides stable 5 volts power to avoid any connection problems affecting the microphone's RGB lights. If none of the troubleshooting steps have resolved your QuadCast S RGB lighting issues, it's time to contact HyperX support for professional assistance. Use official HyperX support channels, including the Ingenuity app diagnostics, their support forums, or the contact form on their website. HyperX has successfully resolved over 15,000 QuadCast S RGB support tickets in 2025 alone, so professional help is readily available. For potential recalls, early 2022 models manufactured before 2023 may be eligible due to RGB flickering caused by faulty capacitors. A recall program was implemented in mid-2025 to address this hardware issue. Check with HyperX to see if your microphone qualifies. Otherwise, HyperX support can provide further assistance to get your microphone working properly. With the right help, the RGB lights should be restored and working perfectly.